So this right here is my little homestead's work vehicle. It's a Mountaineer, which I have no clue what it is. It's got some Briggs and Stratton in it, and a 2-speed hydraulic transaxle with a high and low and diff lock. So it's pretty capable, but it doesn't work. I think it had some electrical issue and the switches went bad. But we need this back because I need to go get some firewood. And now that the shop is all cleaned, we can fit this in there to fix it. So let's get this thing in the warmth. It is a crisp 30 degrees today, and there's ice on these here little wheels. No good. You might be wondering, why are you using the Mountaineer to work working at the tractor? Well, the tractor's great and all, but it doesn't carry very much. This carries a lot, and when you use both of these together, you can get a whole lot done. This dumps, that lifts, conquer anything. And Casey really loves using this around the garden. So we'll get it fixed up for her. Well, and for me, but yep, let's go get it to the shop. So now it's in the garage. There's a couple things I need to do to this thing. One, I need new rear tires. These things go flat every day, and it's just annoying to fill it up to have to use it. So we'll get some new rear tires for it. I want to mount this here lawnmower gas tank on it, just because this one's all cracked and yeah, leaks. It's not very good. And I want to figure out why it's not getting fuel sometimes. I think it's just because this fuel tank was dirty. The weather outside is crap. I've got the battery charged. I've even added a TV in the shop. Got a nice fire going. We're going to figure out what's going on with this Mountaineer today. So, now that the battery is charged, we can attempt to try to start this thing. So the method to do it is hit the brake, turn main power on, kill switch on, and go button. So somewhere is disconnect. And the lights aren't turning on either, which is telling me that this isn't getting power. Because when this gets power, this switch gets energized. So maybe this switch went bad. Let's test it. So one side of the switch should have power at all times, and when jumped and when turned on, it should, send power over here like a switch. And it does not. So this switch is bad. We can change that with another switch and see if that solves our issue. So now the switch works. We have crankage. Do we have fire? Oh. Perfect. It's alive. So now we got to fix the gas tank situation. Also, that battery is probably toast. So got this one charging up. The fun of letting stuff sit. And as I said before, this fuel tank setup is no good with the fuel pump and everything. It's just all at the same level. Hopefully we can get this one to work off gravity. I don't know, maybe. But yeah, look, it's open. It's got holes in it. It's no good. We're going to get that out of here. Probably just pull this whole bracket off and give us as much room to work with as we can. So now I've got this whole area open up. I'm trying to figure out where to put this gas tank. I'm leaning kind of more towards back here. That'd be kind of cool. So after multiple attempts of placing this thing, I've had it up here and all over. This tank ain't gonna work. There's no way to really mount it because it's meant to set in place. So I'm gonna get myself just a gas tank for like a Predator and put it in here, and that'll work. So I know I said I was gonna order new tires, but after pricing them out, I don't want to spend $400 for tires. Actually, it would have been about $360. Just because these are such a weird size, I went ahead and I bought an inner tube. I'm just going to patch it. And, I'm not really doing too off-road things with this thing. So I don't really need the aggressive tires. But we got the diff lock in case we need it. Let's get this wheel fixed up. Man, this chunky tire's almost too big to fit on that little stand. Man, I tell you what, that was the easiest inner tube I've ever changed. Other than getting the tire on there, that was the hardest part, but it just right on, right out. It worked. So now this wheel is fixed. I ordered a tank from Amazon. It's just a little 1.5 gallon job. Should be able to mount it right below the support right here, kind of like so, and get pretty good work out of it. Bought some angle iron and some flat stock to make this work. So I've mocked up a piece of angle iron as my front gas tank mount, and I'll do some tabs that come off the back to make it removable. The tank fits on top of this one and under this one. I'm going to throw some paint on it and then call it a day. Now just a shot of primer, and I don't expect it to stick very well because, well, it's about 26 degrees. So, yep, I will see you guys tomorrow. Alright, freshy battery. Let's see if this thing will do something. I need it out of here. Come on. Okay, that's the fastest it's cranked. Let's see if I can get it to fire. Alright, so I've got it cleaned out, got it running. I've switched the shifters around because these are always wrong. I had the high-low on the wrong side and the diff lock on the other. So I switched them around and see if they work. I'm going to take it on a test rip just to see how she does. Oh yeah! So to fix my choke issue, I relocated the broken choke mount to down here. Goes up to the top of the carb, and it works. Perfect. This thing never did that before. This thing rips. So moving the shifters allows me to go from high and low pretty easy. Like this is low right now. Just idles now too. Oh, that's awesome. Feels good. I'm gonna throw the hood on it and call it a day. This thing works good now. So, what have we done? Well, we've got it running again. Fixed the tire, fixed the gas tank, swapped out the tank. Yeah, she is pretty good now. And fixed the choke issue. So we are ready to do spring work. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'm glad to have this thing back. I know Casey is. She actually just pulled up and was like smiling ear to ear. I've got something special coming in the next video, so hope you guys enjoy. Stick around to see what I've bought. As always, thanks for watching. Hope to see you guys in another video. Take it easy. And watch something that YouTube says you might like. See ya.